Introduction to HTML space. HTML space refers to the spaces created in a web page layout using HTML tags. Spaces can be between elements, within elements, or around the entire page. HTML uses specific tags and attributes to create these spaces. Space character and non-breaking space. The space character is used to separate words in a text. HTML only recognizes a single space character between words. The non-breaking space creates multiple spaces between elements. HTML will recognize each non-breaking space as a separate space. Margin, padding, and border in CSS. HTML5 and CSS are often used together to create complex layouts. CSS properties such as margin, padding, and border are used to create spaces. Margin adds space around an element outside of any defined borders. Padding adds space between an element and its border. Border defines the thickness of the element's border. Common error-prone cases. A common mistake is using multiple consecutive space characters. HTML treats multiple space characters as one. Misunderstanding the difference between margin, padding, and border in CSS is another common mistake. Tips and tricks. Use CSS properties for creating precise spaces instead of relying on HTML space characters. The non-breaking space also prevents line breaks, which can be useful but can also lead to unexpected results if not used with care. Use the CSS box model concept to visualize the effect of margin, padding, and border properties. Conclusion: HTML space is a fundamental concept in web design, allowing for the creation of visually appealing and well-structured web pages. Understanding how to effectively use and manage spaces in HTML5 is a valuable skill for any web designer or developer.